Question 1. A random sample of 6-4 marbles were removed from a container. The marbles removed included 1-0 black, 1-4 red, 3-2 yellow, and 8 orange marbles. Based on the experimental results, determine the probability of removing each color marble from the container if each marble was placed back in the container after every pull. Draw an X in the table to match each color with the probability for that color. Question 2. Meredith is tossing a coin. She tosses the coin 6 times and it lands on heads all 6 times. Meredith tosses the coin a 7th time. What is the probability that it will land on heads? Question 3. Burke is trying to pick out his outfit for today. He has blue jeans, red jeans, khakis, and gray dress pants. He can pick from a white collared shirt, a graphic t-shirt, or a green polo shirt. He can pick from his purple Converse, orange Converse, brown boots, or black dress shoes. What is the probability that Burke will wear jeans with a graphic t-shirt and Converse sneakers? Derek wants to compare the heights of players on his favorite basketball and soccer teams. He thinks the mean height of the players on the basketball team will be greater, but doesn't know how much greater. He also wonders if the variability of the heights of the athletes is related to the sport they play. He thinks there will be greater variability in the heights of the soccer players than the basketball players. Derek used the rosters and player statistics from the team websites to generate the dot plots shown below. 4. Without making any calculations, what observations can you make about the distributions of the heights on the two teams? Explain your reasoning. Question 5. Find the mean heights of the players on the two teams. Question 6. You just calculated two means in the previous question. Use those values to find the mean absolute deviation, MAD, for the two teams. Question 7. You have a bag of 10 marbles, but you don't know the color of any of them. You're conducting an experiment in which you take a marble out of the bag, record the color, and then put the marble back. So far, you have run 100 trials of the experiment. You recorded the number of times that you choose each marble in the table below. Using the information from the experiment, make a prediction about the actual number of each marble in the bag. Question 8. The chart below shows the course offerings from a summer program that Izzy was invited to attend at New York University. Izzy is overwhelmed by the amount of selections she has to choose from. Exactly how many different combinations of courses can Izzy choose from? Show your work by creating a tree diagram. Question 9. A school official surveys 2 different lunch periods of 50 high school students from JFK High School to find out which electives they are taking. The city's total high school population is 2,800 students. The table below shows the responses. Based on the results of the 2 surveys, select all the inferences that are valid. A. Only 2 students in the high school take drama class. B. About 10% of the entire high school population takes woodworking. C. In any group of 100 random students from the high school, it is expected that about 40 of the students take painting. D. Next year, about 18 out of every 100 students will take photography. E. Most high school students in the district are interested in TV production. Question 10. In a recent poll, juniors at George Bush High School were asked in what region they plan to attend college. Homeroom teachers randomly selected 3 girls and 3 boys from each homeroom of juniors. The results of the survey are shown below. How many scholars would you predict are planning to attend college in a state outside of their home state of Mississippi if the total number of scholars is 250? Question 11. George has a container that holds 60 paper clips. Half of the paper clips are metal. The other half are covered plastic. 10 red, 10 green, and 10 blue. If George randomly takes a paper clip out of the container without putting it back, what is the probability that he will select a green plastic paper clip, followed by a blue plastic paper clip, followed by another green plastic paper clip? Question 12. Owen is creating a bear at Build-A-Bear. He can't decide if the bear should have blue, green, brown, or gray eyes. He's created a spinner with 4 equal sides to determine if the bear will have blue, green, brown, or gray eyes. What is the theoretical probability that Owen will have 3 bears in a row with blue eyes? Question 13. Decide where each event would be located on the scale below. Place the letter for each event on the appropriate place on the probability scale. Event A. You will see a live dinosaur on the way home from school today. B. A solid rock dropped in the water will sink. C. A round disc with one side red and the other side yellow will land yellow side up when flipped. D. Your full name will be drawn when a full name is selected randomly from a bag containing the full names of all the students in your class. 28. E. A red cube will be drawn when a cube is selected from a bag that has 5 blue cubes and 5 red cubes. F. Tomorrow the temperature outside will be negative 250 degrees. Question 14. Consider the following 2 sample distributions of the number of letters in randomly selected words from 2 different poems shown below. Describe the difference between these 2 poems.